What do you think we should do with this hair today?
I think you should just chop it all off.
Just chop it all off? So
all of it.
With like a buzz cut? Are you thinking a buzz cut, or what are you thinking?
I'm thinking like a 2.
A 2?
Like a drastic
like
change.
Just a 2. Are you down for that? You don't want that?
No.
So who is she? Why should we listen to her? Who is she?
No, she just follows us.
I just want to keep his hair if you're gonna cut it.
What are we gonna try to do today?
I was thinking like,
let's get the picture out. Okay, it's like a taper, like a burst fade mullet. And the top, are you looking for that type of length too in the back and in the top too as well?
yeah.
Basically, bro, we're about to like chop off like 80% of this, bro.
That's
basically, fine. Is that cool? So we'll do that low taper burst fade kind of look with the mullet in the back. Basically 80% gunner. You cool with that? No 2-guard on top? Nah. All right, bet. All right, let's get it, bro. So the first step, we're just gonna part the hair. We're gonna section the hair. So I'm gonna take this part of the comb, wherever it tilts, I'm gonna go straight across. Gonna double check again. All right, so we can start in really almost every single spot. So the front panel, back panel, what I'm really concerned about is how long the hair is gonna be from the back and also from the front of the bangs. So I'm gonna start off first by just cutting a straight section from here, and I'm gonna follow this along towards the back of the head. I asked him how much he wants in the front, and he said he probably just wants it on top of the eyebrow, right? So I'm not gonna overthink this too much. We're gonna chop off all this length right here. We don't have to be too perfect. I'm gonna point cut. These shears aren't expensive. They're 15 bucks on Amazon. You guys don't need the most expensive shears. Now we're gonna take a vertical profile section here in the front. What we cut was right here in the front. So you guys can see here on the front, that's the length that I wanna establish. I'm gonna go about a square shape towards the back. Square just makes we're going straight in a straight line. And I'm gonna point cut. We're gonna take this line all the way towards the back. Now that we've cut that, we can connect this back part and start the layering in the back. Go square towards the back. We cut this length from connecting it from the top over here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna layer the back. How do we layer the back? I'm gonna first split that guideline in half. So we're gonna split that in half, and then we're gonna get another guideline from the right side. So we have a portion that's already been cut and a portion that hasn't been cut. Once I'm done cutting this, I'm gonna go straight down. I'm gonna push a little bit to the side, and then I'm gonna get another guideline. You guys can see there's another guideline right here that we can follow. I'm gonna follow the same process. I can already see the guideline that's already been cut. You guys can see that. We're just gonna follow that. This whole glob of hair that I just grabbed, there's a guideline underneath. We follow through with the guideline. It's right here. As I get lower too, I like switching my position because I feel a little uncomfortable going towards the back like that. I like grabbing it this way. You guys probably can't see it from this side, but it helps going towards the bottom. You have to get closer and parallel to your guideline. We finished cutting the back. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna connect this side right here to the side panel, and we're gonna leave the top for last. What I wanna do first is I wanna basically create that section on the side of the head. What I like doing, you guys can do two different things. You guys can get the tilting of the comb, but what I like doing is I just like getting basically his corners of his hairline. So I go ahead and look for it. It's right here. What I'm gonna do is I'm just literally gonna take a straight line, this part of my comb. I'm gonna push this all the way across, right there, put my thumb, and comb all this part down, and push this to the side. I like pushing the comb hard, and then I use my hand to comb it more. So now all we have to do is literally connect the piece of hair from here to connect to the side, because we're gonna taper this, right? So we don't have to be so perfect with this on the side. What I can do is I can just take a horizontal section like that, pull all this hair down, and I can connect it. Right here, you guys can also go in with the 3-guard and just chip out everything here and connect this side to the side that we chopped. I'm gonna go push this to the side. Super simple, guys. We're just literally cutting hair. Nothing too crazy. We're just softening the bulk so we can go in with the 3-guard. And we don't have to be perfect with this. We're just cutting the hair because we're still gonna blend the 3-guard into this bulk right here. We can just pull this hair right here super quickly, and then we're gonna go in with the 3-guard. Grab my 3-guard, open up the lever. We're gonna scoop up with it. I'm gonna close it now. The trimmer, I'm just gonna flick up really quick. You guys saw how soft that line came out to be. I'm just gonna grab in my 1/2-guard and gently just start flicking up. All right, so I'm gonna layer the top. How I'm gonna layer the top? So we cut this already, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna move a part of this guideline right here. I'm gonna move all this hair to the side. So that's already cut right here. We have another guideline here. We already know this is cut. So I'm gonna just pull this. That's the cut point right there. We're cutting about 2 inches, which is what we cut from the bangs initially. Let's repeat the same thing. I'm gonna push this guideline to the side. All this hair to the side. We know this is cut. You just drag another hair to cut. So once we're done layering the top, what I like doing is just going straight down here and splitting everything in half. So here we're just gonna connect the bangs, which is to the sides. Grab all these bangs right here and just elevate the hair and just point cut. Next, I'm gonna grab some horizontal sections here and kind of cross-check the work. What do you think, bro?
Perfect. Perfect.